Today, I'll show you the unboxing of the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So let's see what's in the box. So let's open it up.
Tapped on.
So let's pull it out. Let's put that there first. And so here's the watch. Here's the watch. Let's see. Here's the paperwork, the manual, and here is the charger. So it seems to be a magnetic charger with the normal USB. And let's see if there's nothing else. So basically this is what you get. This the watch, the manual, and the charging, and the charger per se. So let's see what this is all about. So let's see. So there we go. There's your Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So thanks for watching, and I'll be making subsequent videos on how to use this smart band. So subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.